Good mindful morning Monday, everyone. I hope everyone had a great weekend. We have a lot going on this week. Try to have your spelling pretest complete before we meet at 9:45. I pre-recorded the spelling pretest for you, so check that out in Seesaw. This week, our story is called Lewis and Clark and Me. Our focused skill this week is author's purpose. In math, we will review adding, subtracting multi-digit numbers, including subtracting across zeros. In addition, we will end our unit with rounding to a given place value. The project of the week is called Place Value Park, where you design your park by the questions it asks you. So you'll create your own park. We will review in math on Wednesday and Thursday and take our Unit 1 assessment of place value on Friday. Also, make sure you look through the classwork checklist PowerPoint very clearly because I have updated the Zoom IDs and passwords. The Family Fitness Fun has changed, so I made that change in your on that slide, as well as you'll see the daily schedule is a little bit more detailed. I put some extra groups in there, like small groups that I will be giving you guys this week. So this morning in reading, we will have two groups. We will be able to have Miss Rollins helping us in splitting us into two groups. And then we will also do the same in math for today. So I hope everyone has a great Monday. I will see you shortly.